Right, so just outside the Mayfair Chippy, let's see if this place is as good as it's been made out to be. Alright, I've been wanting to try this for a while now. Let's tuck in. Homemade ketchup, I think. My God. That is really crispy. Right, behind the paper you've got homemade tartar sauce, mushy peas and curry sauce. Oh my lord, the tartar sauce is probably the best I've had. Fresh. Mushy peas. Fresh. Right, in the words of Joey Tribbiani. Curry sauce, good. Mushy peas, good. Tartar sauce, good. No complaints here. Piece of advice, if you are going to the Mayfair Chippy, go around 11 AM because the difference half an hour makes is unbelievable. Massive queues by the time I left. It's about midday now. I took my sweet time when I was there, chomping away. And they give you this nice little bag at the end, and it's got bonbons and some childhood classics, like these little fruit salad bars. But anyway, it was good. Till the next one.